Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda Cub 90. It's an original Irish bike in blue with a dual seat and the rear sets for the pillion passenger. It also has a rear rack mount too if you want to put a back box on it, and it has the original Rickman front fairing too. It just had two brand new tyres, serviced and ready to go. Really nice little Cub 90. So like I said, front tyre is absolutely brand new. Front mudguard, a few little marks here, but nothing major. There's the front plastics, all in nice condition. The alloy itself is in really good condition. Same with the front fork area. Rear, the mudguard here, the front is really nice. Top of the head is not rusted on the engine. Right hand side, rubbers, peg, exhaust, everything in really nice nick. No real signs of any rusting. Plastics as well have no sign of yellowing or age. Right hand side plastics are in good condition, no cracks. You have your kickstart on the right hand side, your right hand side pillion pegs. Again, the exhaust, chrome, all really nice condition. The rear wheel again is in good condition too. Rear shocks are in good condition. There's the chassis number, Honda stickers on the right hand side, good. Original indicators are nice as well. A 2000 bike, rear mud flap is there. The rear tyre again, like we said, is absolutely brand new. Right hand side chain guard is present, which is rare to find. All of them are missing. Right hand side pillion pegs, all in really good condition. We've got again Honda motor stamp on the right hand or left hand side here. Engine area is good, no rubbing of the boots, which you see quite often. No wear there. And we have the left hand side shields, leg shields here, really good too. Front of the bike then on the Rickman front fairing, all really nice, no cracks or signs of yellowing, with good screws in them too. Only 17,000 on the odometer, in miles an hour of course, the Irish bike, original one, with fuel gauge up the top as well. Choke and all the readings on the controls here are all nice and clear, no fading or anything like that too, and has the original mirrors on it, left and right. So that's it for the visual analysis when I move on to the ride-along video.
Okay, time to get on the 90. So first thing to do if you want to start the bike, make sure the fuel is on or reserve. This time it is on. So there's, you'll see the markers there. You won't be able to make it out on this camera, but they are there. You're going to turn the ignition on. You'll see that you're in neutral because the neutral light comes on the top left hand side, as you can see there. Kickstart is on the right hand side, and you're going to want to maybe give her a bit of throttle as well as you kick through. So that was first kick, cold as it can be. I'm running a bit low on fuel, but not quite at reserve yet. So we're ready to go, and we're going to do our left indicator out here. I'm going to put her into first gear, and off we go. So as we said in the visual inspection, it's got two brand new tyres. It's in really good nick. It's an original Irish bike, square headlamp, square indicator in the blue colour with the dual seat, so you can sit a bit further back on them. So we're going to indicate out left here. Brakes feel really good, and she's riding really nicely. Honda 90s usually get up to about 80 to 90 kilometers an hour if you're lucky. So uphill and all that shouldn't be an issue. We'll max out second gear here now. Now remember, this is in miles an hour. You're staying at the odometer now, so not kilometers an hour. So we're doing 40 miles an hour right now. And we're just going to do our turnabout here. Try not to knock down this poor old cat as we go around it. Don't go out in front of me, thank you. Riding super nicely. They're super hard to come by these days, Honda 90s like this. You see a lot of them on the done deal, but my god are they in bits. This one's been well kept after, well maintained, and it's all ready to go. There's nothing to do to this bike. Nothing to do to the bike at all. Or for maybe tighten up that front left mirror now. That could be something we could do, and something we will do. Oh, we just make it around this corner handy dandy. So really nice. I mean, I'm 188 centimeters, around 6'2". I fit on the bike fairly nicely. The dual seat does help. I'm going to turn in left here. I'll check over my shoulder, and then we'll pull in, put it into first gear, and then into neutral again. So she's ticking over very nicely. We're going to get off the bike. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a thumbnail for the YouTube video, so bear with me. As well as the done deal listing we're now doing. The picture here is usually the first picture they click on if you're coming from Done Deal. So bear with me one moment. There we go. And now we check the electrics. So as we go over to the horn, horn is working, left indicator at the front working, and at the rear, front right indicator working. Front right indicator is not working. Hold on. Alright, we'll get that seen too anyway. Front and they're not, I mean, indicators are as simple as you can get. There we go. I think it might be the, anyway, front right indicator will get sorted before you come down and see the bike anyway. You'll see the brake light at the rear is working there too. Horn, what else do we have? High beam and low beam and all that. Parking light, you see there, and there's your high beam. Hold on, if we just turn on high beam here. There we go. Well, it doesn't look like much, but that is it, I promise you. It does go up if you give the bike a rev, as you can see there. But that's really it. Right, so that's it. Only one thing for us to do, and that's to fix that right indicator at the front there, and we're away to the races. But really good bike, ticking over lovely, just serviced, 2 new tyres, everything like that. The bike will come mint if you come to collect it. Like I said, we've had, how many have we had? We've had 7 Cubs come into us over the last 2 weeks, and this is the only one that we've put up to advertise. Every other one was sold immediately, and that's because they were Japs. We showed them on a video before they got registered, and now we're just waiting for them all to be registered, and they're all pre-bought. So if you're looking for a 90, they're really madly in demand, and everyone wants one, so you'd want to act fast if you're interested. Like I said, you have the back rest there, or back rack there as well, if you want to put on a back box. Loads of room for 2, and a great little hack. That's been it for this video. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook. As well, our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. They'll all be linked in the description if you do want to have a look, if you just go down there and click on them. Again, if you have liked the video, thank you and subscribe, and next time we'll have another bike.